Hello! I'm gonna be showing around the new, the Silly Seal Volcano update. Hope you enjoy! Let's head over to the dock. I see that it's extended and there's a boat. This should teleport us to the new map area. And we can teleport right back. How nice! Doesn't seem that far. Let's get a better view from the spawn point. It looks so cool. Starting to head into the cave. Ooh, lava. Can we swim in it? Oh, I guess not. Anyways, I'm gonna head down now, without falling in. Ooh, already a new item seems like it's a ribcage. Oh, they snatched it. Just a skull. I spy with my eyes another item. It looks like an explosive. Oh, it is. Let me eat this. Oh. Anyways, let's continue searching. Oh, I see something. Oh my god, it's an isopod. Sorry, I'm gonna eat you now. Yule. Let's see what's over here. Nothing in there. Oh, looks like oil. Gonna continue the search. What the? Oh, that's one big shark. Please don't eat me. Phew. Let's check this side. Not much. Oh, a walkie-talkie. It didn't give me it. Oh no, I'm too fat. Oh well. Ooh, tunnels. Let's see what's here first. More oil. Ooh, a glowy cave. What is radioactive? Woa. Time to dine. Oh no, now I'm just radioactive. Oh phew, it's gone. Another? Yeah, I'm not eating it again. Let's get out of here. Oh, more down here to discover. Whoa, a door? Can't seem to open it. Or peek in it. Oh, went up the wrong way. Oh, a mushroom. Oh my. Anyways. Oh, so pretty. Perfect fishing spot. Gorgeous. Gonna head out this way.
I will not actually put my gym bug. Yes, you can. Just don't put it, okay?
Not much, but very cool.
You mean
Flute. Oh my god, is that a sponge? It is. Gonna hold on to it for now. Ooh, this is a nice little smoky terrain. Definitely works so well with the island. I'm a cooked seal. Let's see what other details there is around the island. A mine entrance. Oh, it leads back to here. Gonna head back to the spawn to explore up top. Whoa, a Nessie. You know what, let's follow this big fella. Nice fishing spot. What's that over there? Oh, a different mushroom. A cute picnic. Can have adorable little seal dates. Whoa, a cool cave entrance. I love the detail. Oh, it leads into the waterfall. Another cave? Oops. Oh, it leads into here. I believe we explored it all. That is gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna post more if there's future updates, and we'll be posting other games. If you got game recommendations, let me know. Bye bye.